Tired of that constant drip, drip, drip from your bathtub faucet? Not only is it wasting water, but it's also driving you crazy. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix it by replacing the Moen cartridge, and we'll get it done step by step, so you can do it yourself without calling a plumber. Tools and materials needed: Moen 1222 HD cartridge, Moen cartridge puller, Phillips screwdriver, flathead, 7/64" Allen key, plumber's grease, paper towels. Step 1. Shut off the water. First, locate your main water shutoff. Turn it off completely. Then, open the faucet to drain out any remaining water. Place a towel or plug in the tub so you don't lose any screws or parts. Step 2. Remove the handle and trim. Take a 7/64" Allen key and loosen the set screw on the handle. Remove the handle and the screw behind it. Keep everything lined up so you don't forget the order. Next, remove the faceplate screws and set the trim plate aside. Step 3. Remove the retaining clip. You'll see a retaining clip holding the cartridge in place. Use a small screwdriver or needle nose pliers to pull it out. Step 4. Pull out the cartridge. Now the fun part, removing the old cartridge. If it's stuck, use a Moen cartridge puller tool. Tighten it down, wiggle it, and pull straight out. Trust me, pliers won't cut it if it's stuck. You'll see the old gaskets are torn and worn out. That's why it was leaking. Step 5. Clean and prep. Wipe out the inside with a paper towel. Remove any leftover debris from the old seals. A clean surface is key to a leak-free install. Step 6. Install the new cartridge. We're using the heavy-duty Moen 1222 HD brass cartridge. Apply the included plumber's grease to the O-rings and rubber seals. Make sure the hot and cold sides are aligned, H on the left, C on the right. Use a plastic pressing tool to push it straight in without damaging the tip. Step 7. Reassemble everything. Insert the retaining clip back into place. Reinstall the sleeve, trim plate, and handle. Add a touch of thread locker on the set screw if you want extra security. Then tighten everything down. Step 8. Turn the water back on. Slowly turn your water supply back on. Test hot and cold. Everything should move smoothly. After a few seconds, the dripping will stop completely. And just like that, no more leaks, no more wasted water, and you save yourself the cost of a plumber. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.